Hello and welcome to Medical Dialogues. I'm Dr. Garima Soni. Let's look at today's top medical news. CRISPR technology shows promise in removing extra chromosome in Down syndrome. Gene editing techniques may eventually allow trisomy to be treated at the cellular level, according to a new in vitro proof of concept study published in the PANA Nexus journal. Down syndrome is caused by the presence of a third copy of 21st chromosome. The condition occurs in approximately 1 in 700 live births and is relatively easy to diagnose at early stages of development. However, there are no treatments. Ryotaro Hashizume and colleagues used a CRISPR-Cas9 gene editing system to cleave the third chromosome in previously generated trisomy 21 cell lines derived from both pluripotent cells and skin fibroblast. The technique can identify which chromosome has been duplicated, which is necessary to ensure the cell does not end up with two identical copies after removal, but instead has one from each parent. Study finds blocking mobile internet on smartphone boosts attention, mental health and well-being. Smartphones enable people to access the online world from anywhere at any time. Despite the benefit of this technology, there is growing concern that smartphone use could adversely impact cognitive functioning and mental health. According to a recent research published in PNA Nexus journal, shows a link between smartphone usage and attention, mental health and well-being. Correlational and anecdotal evidence suggests that these concerns may be well-founded, but causal evidence remains scarce. The researchers conducted a month-long randomized controlled trial to investigate how removing constant access to internet through smartphones might impact psychological functioning. They used a mobile phone application to block all mobile internet access from participants' smartphones for 2 weeks and objectively track compliance. The intervention specifically targeted the feature that makes smartphones smart while allowing participants to maintain mobile connection and non-mobile access to internet. New study reveals genetic factor influencing success in quitting smoking. The effectiveness of a common drug to quit smoking could be down to people's gene, according to a study from the University of Leicester. Varenicline is widely recognized as the most important effective medication for helping people stop smoking, but unfortunately, it does not work for everyone. Researchers from Leicester have uncovered important insights into how people's DNA affect their response to the drug, which will soon be available to smokers. Varenicline works by targeting specific receptors in the brain to block the rewarding effects of smoking and reduce cravings. An international team of researchers developed a method to use electronic health records to identify people who successfully stopped smoking with varenicline and those who did not. New tool links immune cell disruption in blood to cancer outcomes. The immune system of cancer patients are highly disrupted, with those who have a higher number of immune cells in their blood having a better survival rate, finds a new study published in Nature Genetics. The tool is called immune lymphocyte estimation from nucleotide sequencing. It enables researchers to calculate the proportion of T cells and B cells from whole genome sequencing data for the first time. Whole genome sequencing uses a blood sample to create a complete record of individuals' DNA, the genetic instructions that determine who they are. By understanding these instructions, scientists can find out important information such as how many immune cells a person has, if there are any changes in their genes, and how their body is combating disease. This can be helpful for studying genetic illnesses such as cancer. That's all for today. Stay tuned to Medical Dialogues for latest updates.
Never miss a medical update from Medical Dialogues. Like, subscribe, and press the bell icon.